Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play Egyptian rat screw. This will be a full card game tutorial, so let's get right into the video. It's a really fun game to play and it's really easy to learn how to play. And the good thing about this game is that you can make it as simple or as complex as you would like to, okay? Let's get right into it. This game can be played with 2, 3, or 4 players. Sometimes you can even go with more than 4, but it's pretty difficult to do. So I would suggest 2, 3, or 4 players. For this specific example, we're gonna be going with 4 players because that's probably the most common way to play it. You wanna shuffle the cards. These cards have already been shuffled, but I'll give them a little shuffle anyways. Then you're gonna evenly deal the cards between all of the players. In some cases, some players might have more cards, one more card than the other players, which is totally fine. But basically, we're gonna deal these cards evenly, okay? So I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit by just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one player over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just speeding it up, and the idea as I deal, and I'll explain this, is that you want to have a space in the middle, okay? That's where the center pile is going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and evenly distribute the cards just like that. Like I said, as long as all the players have basically the same amount of cards, you're good to go, okay? Some players might have one more than others in certain situations. So now all of the cards are face down. Now the player to the left of the dealer is gonna start. So I'm the dealer right here. This player is gonna start. And all that you have to do is in a circular motion, you're gonna take the cards and flip them face up into the middle. Now, you keep flipping face up until you get to a face card or an ace. So Jack, Queen, King, or Ace, okay? Now, when someone puts a Jack, Queen, King, or Ace into the middle, the next player has to put a face card on top, or they lose, okay? So you get a different number of tries depending on which card you have. So a Jack gets you 1 try, a Queen gets you 2 tries, a King gets you 3 tries, and an Ace gets you 4 tries. So this player now has 4 tries to put a face card or an ace on top of here. So let's see what they can do, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, no face card. So that means that this player who put the last face card down wins the pile. They take the center pile and they put it underneath their pile like that. And the player that won the last pile starts the next round, okay? So you can see Jack, this person seems to be lucky. They have all of the face cards maybe. So Jack means you get 1 turn, okay? So this player has 1 turn to try and put a face card down, all right? No face card. So guess what? This player who put the last face card down then wins again. The objective is to win all of the cards, okay? So this player won, so now they continue. 6, so now they didn't get a face card. So we continue now. This person tries 6. Now, interestingly enough, this is a combination. So you can play with combinations. And with a combination, even when there's no face cards that are played, when a combination occurs like this, which is, for instance, this is one combination, whoever slaps the pile first wins that hand, okay? Wins the middle pile. So some common combinations that people play with, and these are optional. You can include these or you don't have to include these. Like I said, you can make it a simple game or an advanced game. But some common combinations are a pair like this. So if you get a 6 and a 6, or 5 and a 5, or 4 and a 4, whoever slaps the pile first wins that hand. So let's say this player then slaps the pile. They win all of the cards in the center, okay? And you can play with these or without these. Another common combination that people use is what's called a sandwich, which would be like a 5 and then a 3 and then another 5. So a pair with something different in between them. And then you can include other combinations if you want to as well. You can include like 4 in a row. So it can be 4 in a row increasing. So like 4, 5, 6, 7, or it can be like 8, 7, 6, 5. It can be decreasing. You can play with all sorts of combinations. Now, just to clarify, this person won that hand. So they're going to go first, 5. And we keep going clockwise. We're going to clockwise motion like this, okay? Now it's this person's turn, 10. So we're waiting for a face card, 2, or an ace, face card or 2. Jack. So this person played a Jack. Now that means that this person right here, the next person in line, next player in line, has 1 turn, because it's a Jack, 1 turn to play a face card. 7. They didn't play a face card, so now this person who played the face card last wins all of the cards in the center, just like that. And that's it. The game continues until one player has won all of the cards. It gets to be really fun, and you can you have to keep your eyes on the pile to know what's going to come up. And yeah, I guess you can really make it a simple game or a complex game depending on how you want to play. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.